Hello and welcome to AOH Digital Literacy for All. My name is Dominica David and I'm your host. The topic of our video today is how to download and install apps on a PC using Microsoft Store. But before we start, I'd like to remind you, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I would like to also remind you to check out our shop. We have nice design there. You can find clothes, you can find office supplies, and you can find phone accessories. So everything is in there. So once you're free, please don't forget to check it out. In this video today, I'm going to take you to Microsoft Store and I'll show you step by step how you can look for applications, games or movies and download them, install them and use them on your computer. Without further ado, I'm going to turn to my computer and start the presentation. Today I'm going to talk to you about Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is a marketplace that allows you to download and install software on your Windows computer. So just like on your Android phone, how you can go to Google Play and download the applications and use them on your phone, you can do the same thing on computer using Microsoft Store. So if you're on your desktop like this, you can find the Microsoft Store by default on your taskbar like here, or else you can search it by going to the search bar here and just typing Microsoft Store, as you can see. And once you have it like that, just click on it either here or what you search to open. Okay, good. So now we have a Microsoft Store open, and as you can see, there are several type of application here that you can download and install on your PC. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to confirm that we are in the right account. So to do it, we go on top here, you see profile, so I click on it and see. So for this video today, I'm using this account, demo.english1.MonTogo.net at Outlook.com. So once I'm sure that I'm in the correct account, I can just go and start downloading application. And you can also associate your credit card with your account, so that if you're using a paid service, the money can be deducted directly from your credit card. So to do it, you can just go here and choose a payment method. It should take you online to Microsoft website, and from there you can fill in your credit card information. You don't have to do it right away, because you can also pay for applications as you buying them. So I can just close this for now. Okay, so we are now in the home tab, and as you can see, there is a collection of different type of applications here. There is a music streaming apps, games, movies and whatnot. So from here, if you know what you want, you can just click on it and install it, or you can also move to the other tabs here where they are sorted based on their categories. So if I go under apps, you will see that they will be filtered and only applications will be available. Okay. So from here, there are two type of applications. There are the free apps and then the paid apps. So if you're looking for a free app, just browse, click on it and install it. Okay, so I'm going to do a few examples so that you can get a better idea on how you can access your applications from Microsoft Store and install them on your Windows computer. So from this tab, if I go to the search bar here and I type in Adobe Express, so that's this one. So I click on it like that. Okay, so that's the application, and just like how you do it on your phone, you can just click on install and the download process will start. And that's the description of the application, and then the ratings and reviews. So just check it out and see, and if you are okay, then you just hit install, and then the download process will start. So we have now downloaded Adobe Express on our computer, and I can just go ahead and open it so that you can see how it works. Okay, and I can choose to pin it to my taskbar or pin it to the start button here, to the start menu here. Okay, if I want to do that, then I just go to allowed and it should be here. Okay, because this is an online app, it works just like a shortcut. Really is just allowed you to connect to Adobe online and use it from your desktop. Okay, so you need to sign in with your account, so you can use your Google account, your Facebook, Apple, or just sign up with an email address. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of my demo Google accounts here. So I'll sign into Adobe. When I finish typing my email address like this, just next. Just to confirm that I'm not a robot, and just type in my password. And that's it. So I have Adobe Express open on my computer. Okay, I can go ahead and accept the free trial, but I don't need it. Alright, so I'll close it and make my screen bigger. Okay, so from here I can create posters, flyers, so anything. So this is a graphic design application. So in this video today, I'm not teaching you how to create something using Adobe. I'm just showing you how you can install it on your desktop and access it as you need it. It works with a template, so as you have the screen open, you can just browse and find the template you want to customize and click on it, and it should load in the middle of your screen. And go ahead and add text, replace pictures, and when you're done, you can just go on top here to download. Okay, so that's it. I can change you can change the text, you can replace the pictures, all the elements are here. So once that is finished, then you can go to download, and then we should be downloaded either in PNG or JPEG or PDF on your computer. So that's it. This is how you can download and install Adobe Express from Microsoft Store and use it on your desktop computer. So I'm just going to close the application. Okay, so I'm now back on Microsoft Store. So assuming I finish using this program and I don't want it on my computer anymore, I can also go ahead and delete it. So to do that, I just go back to the search bar here and then type the application name. Okay, so as you can see here, then just right click on it and then go to uninstall, and the application will be removed from your computer. That's it. So if I search it again, you will see that it will no longer be available on the computer. You see? Alright, it means it has been deleted from my installed app on my computer. Okay, so that's it. Now I can also do another example here so that you can better understand how to install applications from Microsoft Store. So for instance, if I was looking for the GNU image manipulation program, I can just type the name of the application here. So we GIMP, and then enter. Okay, it will filter and take me to the application. Okay, so that's it. Now I can just click on it and hit install to make it available on my computer. The application has been installed, and I can also access it by going to search bar here and just typing the name. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now I can just click on it and have it open on my desktop. This is just another picture editing software, so feel free to try it and see. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it here. Okay, and there is another way you can use to uninstall applications on your desktop. Let me quickly just go over it. So if I want to remove this from my computer, I can go to add and remove. So just search add. That's it, add and remove program. Click on it. And then from this list I can just scroll down till I reach the application. That's it, that's the one I just installed, and can just click on the menu button here and then go to uninstall, confirm, and yes. So contrary to the first application we installed, this one is actually fully installed on our computer and we can use it offline. Okay, so the best way to remove it is to go to add and remove program and select it and remove from here. Okay, all right, so the application has been removed from our computer, and if I go back to the Microsoft Store, can go again to home. So we have learned how to install Adobe Express and also how to install GIMP on our computer. So this is just a standard procedure for all the desktop application you need to use. So I'm just telling you that there is a place called Microsoft Store, and based on the application you want, you can come here and look for it and install it and use it on your computer. Okay, the same way you can also install games. So if I go to games here, you see there is a full list and you can browse it and find what you like. So you can browse it and find what you like and download it and install it. I'm also going to do another example here. So for instance, if I take Candy Crush Saga, I click on it like that and then I go to install. And once the installation finish, I can just go to play to launch the game.
Tasty.
Okay, that's how you can install a game from on your desktop and play it. Alright, to finish this video, I'm going to also talk to you about streaming platforms. So you can also install platforms like Netflix, Hulu on your desktop. So to do is also simple. You can go under movies and TV here. Okay. You can also buy a movie directly from here or use any of those platforms here so that you can stream it. Alright, so for instance, if I take Netflix, same procedure, it will open and then I can download and install. So that's it. Netflix has been installed on my desktop, so I can just go to open. If you have an account, then you can just go to sign in and use your username and password to access your account. And if you don't, then you can go to get started and create a new account. Okay, so you can just go next, choose your plan. So based on where you are, those offers may be different, but just pick the one that applies to you and then go to next and finish. So from here you can use your email address, pick a password, and that's it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and then close it. And if you're not into subscriptions and you prefer to use free stuff, you can also use free streaming services like Tubi. So let me just look for it here. If I go to Tubi, this one, Tubi, free movies and TV. Based on where you are, this service may not be available, but if it's available in your country, you can just look for it like this and install it. And once the installation finished, I just go to open, and that's it. You can also register and open an account, or if you already have one, you can sign in. But for Tubi, you don't even need an account. You can just start streaming. Yeah. So if I go to start watching, for copyright issues, I'm not going to play any, but I just want you to be aware that there is this service here, and you can come and browse which movie you want to watch and click on it, and that's it. You can still do this through your web browser, but I'm just telling you that there is another option, and these options allow you to download the app from Microsoft Store, install it on your computer, and use it. So if you have the app open like this, you can also pin it to your taskbar. So like here, so if I pin it like this, and I can also close it, and anytime I want to use it, I don't need to go back and look for it to open. I can just click on it here, and it should launch. So that's it. So start watching, and the screen will pop up again, and you can browse it till you find the movie you like and click on it and open it. Okay, all right. So let me go back to Microsoft Store here. So we pretty much covered how you can download and install an application, a game, or how to set up a streaming platform on your computer. Okay, you can also use Microsoft Store to subscribe to paid services like Microsoft 365. So in that case, you look for it here, like you can see it, and click on it. And from here, if you go to see details, you can do your subscription here. So if you want personal subscription, that's the price here. You can get it for $69 a year, or you can choose to do it on a monthly basis, in which case you pay $6.99 a month. Okay, so once you choose your type of membership here, then you just you click on the price, and another window should open, in which you log into your Microsoft account. And just go next, and add your credit card information if you choose to pay with your credit card or your mobile phone. So you pick your method, and on this window you just type in your credit card number, the card holder name, choose the expiration date, and add the security code, your address, save, and that's it. You are subscribed to Microsoft 365. Okay. We are at the end of our video today, and I hope the way I was able to take you to Microsoft Store and show you how to download and install applications on your computer, you've liked that. If that's the case, please share this video with your colleagues, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And again, don't forget to check out our shop. You will find the link in the description. Thank you, and see you next time.